You ever meet someone and instantly feel like your brain forgets how to speak? Like, suddenly small talk feels like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube underwater, blindfolded? Here's the wild part. It's not because you're awkward or boring or socially broken. It's just no one ever actually taught you how to do this. In this video, I'm going to break down how to actually master small talk, even if you're the most introverted person in the room. Not with cheesy one-liners or fake confidence, but with real stuff that works in the real world. So if you've ever left a party feeling like you failed Social Skills 101, stay with me, because this is the video you've been waiting for. Let's be real. Small talk feels off. Like you're pretending to care about the weather when all you really want to ask is, what's something you secretly love or too shy to admit? Now, if you're an introvert, here's why this stuff hits differently. Introverts don't hate people. They just prefer meaningful conversations. So when someone says, crazy traffic today, huh? Your brain goes, why are we wasting oxygen on this? It's not rudeness, it's biology. Introverts process things more deeply and get drained by surface level chit chat. There's even research that introverts have more activity in the prefrontal cortex, meaning more inner dialogue, more thinking before speaking. So next time you feel awkward during small talk, know this: you're not bad at conversation. You're just wired to crave better conversation. And the good news? You can totally learn how to make even small talk feel meaningful. That's what this video is here for. Most people treat small talk like an exam, something to pass or fail. But here's the shift. Think of it like a game of catch. Your job isn't to impress. It's just to keep the ball in the air. Small talk isn't about being interesting, it's about being interested. The best small talkers ask simple things like, what's your story? Or what do you do for fun? It's not about fireworks, it's about connection. Some questions are so overused, they sound like background noise. Instead, try openers that are playful, situational, or curious. Avoid generic intros. Lead with something that shows you're actually curious. Ever heard of the Ford technique? It stands for family, occupation, recreation, dreams. Ask about family. Are you originally from here? Talk about work. What kind of stuff do you work on these days? Touch on hobbies. What do you do for fun when you're not here? Explore dreams. If money weren't an issue, what would you do all day? Ford keeps the conversation moving without it feeling forced. Silence doesn't mean failure. It just means it's time to pivot. Try this line. Can I ask you something totally random? Awkward moments can actually make convos feel more human. How to end the conversation gracefully. Don't ghost people mid-combo. Wrap it up kindly and confidently. Try, I don't want to take all your time, but I've really enjoyed this. A clean exit makes the whole interaction feel intentional, not awkward. Final mindset. It's a skill, not a gift. Social skills are just that, skills. You build them like anything else. You don't need to be outgoing. You just need to practice being curious. So next time you're out, try one question, just one. See where it takes you. If this helped, hit that like button. It tells the algorithm I'm not just talking to myself. And drop a comment below. What's the weirdest small talk question you've ever heard?
One real conversation at a time.